inclusion of the KHASI language in the 8th schedule.
Deputy Commissioner ke East KHASI Hills belong returning officer nagbantah ke Shong parliamentary seat USC Sadhu laang bakabor Pyniaid district lapan syuk ki pertan ki pulit Central Armed Police Force ha kebayadai bat kijingja ke badang jashan ha ke district ha ke baang bakabor Pyniaid district la Pynlong ya ke Jingkhmih Bniah da ha kebayadai bat Shong Shong Saiñ markani kalong ke badan kam ha ke na ke bentaban Pynlong ya ki election UDC lo benrap syuk balapan klan ya ki bor paharan ha ke office Sorkar ki berkentub ya ke police station bat ki beat house din baladon ke jingja ke badangshan hamaulai beat house.
We are also closely watching the law and order situation in the district to ensure that the law and order should not disturb the conduct of the elections in the district. And in other aspects, we are in the right track of conducting elections, and we are confident that we will be able to conduct elections in free and fair manner. So we, in fact, as you are aware, that we are closely watching the law and order situation. Though it is stable as of now, but considering the recent incidents, we are requesting for more forces to the district. So as of now, we have 8 companies in the district, and we are also requesting for more companies.
Hadirin bagi Shong kaya bitang banok senyang ban